Their controlling tactics are being exposed. Things are going to be illuminated with this individual. This person has been trying to target your essence. They've been trying to siphon off your energy. They've also been trying to slow you down. They don't want you to express yourself. They don't want you to be creative. They don't want you to tap in to your creativity. They don't want the world to see the true magnificent you. They're very jealous of your essence. They're very jealous of your light. They've been working behind the scenes to diminish you, to disempower you, to break you down, to lower your confidence, and it's going to be exposed. You may have gained an inkling about this person's behavior, but you didn't quite get the evidence, but you kept getting nudges. They kept exposing themselves through trying to find out what you're doing, maybe appearing where you are, maybe trying to talk you out of certain goals. This person's extremely threatened by your creativity, and you may have felt like you didn't want to actually pursue your creativity. For instance, if you were going to pursue a project or a goal, you may have said something to this person, or this person may be aware that you have a specific hobby, etc. After speaking to this individual, you may have felt drained. You may have also felt that you didn't have the incentive to go towards your passions. This was because this person was energetically trying to deter you from going towards your true purpose. Their plan is to block and stop you. This is a destiny swapper. This is a destiny blocker. This person has been studying you. They've been watching you on social media, watching your whereabouts, what you're going to do, analyzing you. This person's very obsessed with you. This could be a mother figure. For some of you, this person could be a mother. It could be your mother, or they could have children. And this person is coming up as the Empress reverse. This person is very mean-spirited. They're very vengeful, very jealous. This is the type of person that feels like they've missed out on opportunities in their life. And because they see that you have many blessings, many skills, many talents, beauty, abundance, they just feel very vengeful towards you. It's almost as if they feel like you're going to live out a dream that they will never get. They feel like they missed the boat. They feel like they have to stop and block you in some way. Seeing you go towards your purpose, achieving your goals, your accomplishments, makes this person feel ill at ease, because you are a reminder to the time that they wasted, and they don't want to be alone. They want someone else to join them in their pity party. For some of you, they want to eclipse you. This person has been competing with you for the longest time. They see you as a direct threat. They see how focused you are on attaining your goals and aspirations, and they know that they can't slow you down. So for some of you, unfortunately, they try to team up with others to come up against you. And these other individuals are also jealous of you also, because they feel like you are too powerful for them to come up against you on their own. So they aligned with people who are also jealous of you to slow you down. For some of you, they try to do spell work on you, some sort of moon magic, but it backfired. If this person keeps trying to play in your energy, Spirit is saying that it will come to an abrupt end. I also feel that this person is actually being exposed. Now, some of you are aware of what this person is doing. Others of you are not quite aware. And Spirit is just saying, try to maintain a distance from this individual. Do not tell this person about your whereabouts, your goals, what you're doing, etc. because they want to cause tower moments in your life. They want you to fail because their life is a shambles. Okay? This person may try and come towards you, presenting you with a gift, or they may try and offer you money, or they may, present you with some sort of offer to maybe meet up. Do not fall for the trap. They may even try and give you some sort of advice, but it's not genuine. They just want to get in on what your next plan is so that they can sabotage and destroy. But the thing is, because you are cloaked energetically, because again, some of you are aware about what this person is trying to do, Because you are protected, this person cannot penetrate your energy. They don't know your next moves, and it's frustrating to them. And the more they try and pry in your life, because this person's definitely watching you on social media or trying to gain access to you. Some of you have blocked this individual. Well done. Nothing will come of this situation. So the more they try and pry, the more that they try and, sabotage or find out information, they're not going to get anything. You have to believe in the impossible. And this person also feels like eventually they will be able to destroy your goals, your dreams. That's their mission at the moment, right? Don't want to scare anyone, but I'm just being real, right? But a new start is coming. You are going to go towards a new cycle. And this person, they're very stuck in the head. They keep trying the same things over and over again, using the same tactics. And in their view, eventually they will succeed. But you are very close to achieving your goal, and this individual feels as if they are very close to achieving their goal in destroying you, in taking you down, in making you give up on your goals and your dreams. But luck is on your side. You are very abundant, which is why this person is fixated and focused on you. Expect a powerful change, and that powerful change is going to be that whatever this person has chosen to invest in, i.e. trying to slow you down and stagnate you, is not going to prevail, okay? This person's going to end up in their own heap of mess. They're going to be so confused by you, because before they felt like they could work you out, but you're going to confuse this person. For some of you unintentionally, for others of you intentionally. The games that this person's played, this person feels like they're very smart as well, which is so delusional. They feel like they can lure you towards them, and they feel like you're going to expose all your next plots, and not plots, your next moves, I should say, and that will give them an in to then begin to plot and strategically, spirit don't want me to talk, plan their next move so that you don't bust a move, right? So for instance, if they know that you're gonna launch something, if they know that you have an idea about something or you're gonna go somewhere, they will ask you questions. Or if they see something that they know that you would like, they will try and present to you like they're giving you this offer. And if you show an interest, they'll snatch that offer away, or they'll block that offer. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah. So this individual, I feel, is going to be in an energy of feeling very confused about you, your next move. Meanwhile, you're going to be climbing out of their energetic clutches, because I feel like this person had you energetically confused and binded. I feel like you're going to flee from this individual. And there's going to be an energy of this person being quite desperate, very desperate to be around you, very desperate to be in your energy. And that is a warning. If they are going to be in this energy, there's going to be an eagerness to be around you. This type of person that may turn up at your workplace, or, keep phoning you or texting you. And there's going to be an energy of frustration within their presence, within their messages. Read their messages. You'll see the eagerness. They may keep calling you, desperation to come around you, because it's like they will sense that you're on the cusp of something, and there's going to be a desperateness to block this thing, whatever this thing is. Even if they don't know what this thing is, they're going to sense that you're going to be doing something, going somewhere, and they're going to want to block it. But they're not going to block it, because your spirit guides are by your side. They walk with you all the time. You are protected. If you get that nudge of not wanting to go somewhere, then trust that. I feel for some of you, this person is trying to deter you from going towards a love interest as well. This relationship is protected. You don't have anything to worry about. And I feel like the more this person has tried to separate you and another person, the more closer you and this other person have been. Unfortunately for some of you, this is a family member. This person is very jealous of you, very jealous of your abundance, excuse me, to the point whereby they've been dabbling in spell work, and they've been trying to slow you down behind the scenes. You know, if you felt like you didn't want to do anything, if you felt like, oh, I really want to go here, or I really want to do this, but I don't have the energy, please do it. You know, I feel like this person has been working behind the scenes to slow you down, very fixated on what you're going to gain, the abundance that you're going to gain. They're very, very, very threatened by you. It's not even a joke, you know, and it's very disheartening. And that's why you got to keep away from this person. You've got to be in this energy of fleeing from this individual. And I'm talking about not really talking to them. For some of you, cutting them off, not telling them your whereabouts, your next move, nothing, right? It's time for you to wake up, and you will be waking up. Whatever spell work this person's been doing is going to backfire. People are going to start seeing this person for who they are, and people are going to start seeing this person as mentally unstable, because all the energy that they're throwing out is ricocheting right back, or going to ricochet right back, and it's going to affect their mental health. You know, the desperation and obsession with you is going to be exposed by all. And, you know, it's not going to be something that this person can hide. Is what I'm picking up. People are going to be gossiping about this person's obsession with you. People are going to want to remove themselves from this individual. And because this person's been so fixated on your come up, they're going to experience a downfall in their finances. You know, they're going to experience people removing themselves from them, not wanting to collaborate with them, because they're so focused on you that they're going to lack focus on their own life, their own abundance. You know, they're going to start seeing things crashing down for them, because their fixation on you is unhealthy. It's not normal, and it's going to be exposed, and it's going to stop. There's something around the energies of when Saturn goes into Aries, which is March 2026. And for some of you, this person could be in Aries. They could be a Cancerian, or a Pisces, a Taurus, a Libra, a Leo, a Capricorn, an Aquarius, a Gemini, or a Sagittarius. You could be of those signs, or they could be of those signs. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South, Node, Lilith. But just remember, luck is on your side, and you're going to be fine.